Am I angry? Joy overflows in my heart. Okay, you carry my charger. Now you're returning it. It's looking like someone that just came out of NYSC camp. Weak and bent. See the cord bent. My charger no dey breathe well again sef. See as e dey breathe like hungry old man. Say simple sorry. You're there telling me it was like this before. So now, my charger has a history that I don't know about. Charger wey be say na me carry my money buy am. And I follow come, no be say na this thing. Do you know that I greet this charger every morning? Good morning, Destiny Helper. Yes, let's be real. Without my Destiny Helper, my phone is as good as a mirror. You know wetin NEPA dey do us for here na when we dey see light once in every 3 days, and that one sef na 1 hour dey go take am. But with my Destiny Helper, before they go take am, my phone go don full or e go nearly full. Fast charging angel. Now you don ask, hello angel, do you want to go with me today? Just carry am. Haba now, haba. You no fear the charger. If you no fear the charger, you no fear me. You no fear me. If you no fear me, you no pity me. Well, you don't see me finish. You don't see me finish. See me that's finish now. But at least you supposed to fear God. God will be saying that He provide this my Destiny Helper for me. See, guy, see for this life, I will never ever give you anything again. Not even my smile.